Hello guys, and welcome to Jam.py. My name is Dean Babik and I work with Jam.py for the last couple of years. Now what is a Jam.py? Jam.py is a web-based library or a framework to build the database-oriented applications. It's quite similar to Microsoft Access in my opinion. In Access, we would create a database, tables, and fields. Then we would move on to some sort of forms to interact with these fields and the database. We might even create the reports or some sort of authentication for the database. Now in Jam.py, this is all created automatically. Forms are presented automatically in any design you wish. Reports can be created too, and authentication is out of the box. Now what makes Jam.py interesting is there is no real need to learn huge underlying bits and pieces like Bootstrap or jQuery or Werkzeug. You concentrate on the job at hand. So you concentrate what you would like to build and much less how to build it with all these complex libraries. This is why I think it's very similar to Microsoft Access. In Access, we don't really worry about the SQL. We worry how to present this information to the user and eventually create some report or some sort of application. Now Jam.py has a Python base, so any Python library can be used with Jam.py. For example, on any form, we can have a server part of the form which executes on the server. Imagine some sort of data on a form and you might consume that data on the server side. Now, Jam.py does that in very easy and simple way. It also does a client-side part, which is a JavaScript. So this would be similar to Visual Basic in Microsoft Access, for example. You need to learn a little bit of JavaScript to interact with Jam.py. It's not complex, but the more you dig in, the more you will need to learn. The server side, Python, you need to learn as well. So basically, all this makes Jam.py really interesting because it's quite easy to understand, follow, and develop the problem at hand. If you were really fast with Microsoft Access, you might be even faster with Jam.py. So in overall, that's Jam.py in my opinion. Thanks.